James and Max here, and welcome to GPT Store Exposed. We are so excited. We've been frantically putting this product together because this thing just released. So the timing of this could not be crazier. Now, even though the store just released, we've been telling people for weeks where GPTs are and getting people ready for this store. We've been in the GPT game for a while, and we've created and made all kinds of money. Now that this GPT store is available, the game is completely changed because number one, you can make these things super quick. We show you exactly how to rank on top of Google. We show you exactly how to sell these things. We show you exactly how to rank within the GPT store itself. There are so many other things and rabbit holes that we go down to. It's unbelievable because you have millions of people in the GPT store itself that are going to interact with these GPTs that you create in seconds with no skills. It's unbelievable how quick you can make it. But then we go deeper in showing you how you can force people to use your GPTs because we're getting traffic in all kinds of methods outside of the GPT store. When you combine all this together, along with the specific AI that we've created, that it in and of itself is going to help you make these GPTs in seconds. It's unbelievable. You have to pick this up.
Yeah, I just want to really stress the moment here. Like, this is really something that just went live and that most people out there don't really know about. And we are 100% convinced, first of all, because we're already making money with GPTs, that the store is going to be absolutely crushing it. And now it's live. And now you can get your GPTs in front of like hundreds of thousands of people. And this number will just grow and grow every day. And this means unlimited traffic for you. You don't need to have any skills to create these AIs yourself and put them on the store. Like, this is all super easy. And once again, I also want to compare this to the App Store again. The App Store was a huge thing. The App Store has been making so much money, and people have become millionaires selling their apps on the App Store. However, you would have had to have huge skills to put these apps together yourself, or a super high budget to have apps on the App Store if you're not a developer yourself. Now, forget about all that. Like, you can just go ahead, spend a minute here and a minute there, and really create amazing AIs that can be sold to tons of people. And now, this has just been launched, so you're going to be one of the first ones. And in a year from now, when everybody is going to be like, wow, the GPT store is so amazing, blah, 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 you'll be like, oh, I was there a year ago when it started. And those people will look at you like, wow, amazing. And now is the time to get started, as this is like a complete and utter no-brainer and a game changer, really.
I mean, OpenAI already has over 200 million active daily users itself. The fact that we compare this to the App Store, people back then didn't know how big that was going to be. We know how big this is in real time, where you can go in there without being a developer, without any skills. You can make these things in seconds. And we go so deep into the fact that you don't even need to have a product. You can get paid just for having people interact with your GPTs. Plus, we're showing you how to absolutely crush this as an affiliate. So we go deep with that, where you don't have to have any products of your own, not just getting paid from the GPT store itself, but all these different monetization strategies from within your GPT. So we get traffic from the store itself. We get traffic in all kinds of ways on the internet outside of the GPT store, namely ranking on demand on page one, which is absolutely insane. We go deep into that. But then again, being an affiliate and whatever niche it is, you can have your GPTs interacting with people and getting them to buy from you or from anywhere else on demand. We break it all down. Plus, you get our specific AI. It is only accessible by picking up GPT Store Exposed. You are going to absolutely crush it. The timing, the opportunity, the money that's being made now, along with our custom AI and our process, our methods, our thought process on how to do this, the specific tactics on how to crush it, is a no-brainer. So pick it up below.